Howdy folks. It's been a minute, haven't been doing much recording. I've got to get better at that. We started the program. We are in the school thing going on right now. I actually just got home from working on a diesel engine, which is pretty sick because for the past like week and a half, it's just been straight like HR stuff, and that's boring as hell. So yeah, we did a few things. I think I have some footage. If I do have it, I'm gonna show it right here.
Okay, so this is where we're at. I have had to take off every single plastic thing that was on here. And oh my God, this piece here I need to take off, but it won't come off because I gotta access the air filter, but it won't come off until I get this off, or this won't come off until I get the foot passenger rest off. Who designed this thing? If you gave it like an inch of clearance, I could just pull it right out. But no, I gotta go over to the store and buy these. Oh, it's in the time lapse. Is it?
I don't fucking know what to do with it, dude.